Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review, and the hair review that I will be doing is on the hair that I currently have in my head. So if you want to learn about this hair, what I do like about it, what I don't like about it, and other details, stay tuned. So for this hair, this is an AliExpress hair company that I found through AliExpress. The name of the company is called Soul Lady, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'll have the exact name in the description box because I honestly don't remember right now. But I believe it's called Soul Lady, something like that. But it'll be in the description box along with a direct link to this wig if you do decide to purchase it after I give my reviews. But anywho, so yeah, I got this wig from AliExpress. The length of this wig is a 26-inch. So let me part it down the middle, bring it to the front. So this is how long the hair is on me. This is 26 inches. I am 5'2", so I'm not that tall, so keep that in mind. So this is how it looks. It goes to like about my hips. Yeah, about my hips. So 26 inches. This is I don't know if it's a 13 by 6, but I know that from ear to ear there's space to part it if need be, so you can pull it up. So it is, I'm probably just gonna say a 13 by 6 because I'm pretty sure that's what it is, besides the bangs being in the way. But yeah, so 26 inches, 13 by 6 from ear to ear. It is a 360. However, when I try to get it pulled up into a bun, the way the hair is in the back just doesn't look good up. Like I couldn't brush it up and keep it flat. Like just the where the hair is set up in the back is just not fit to be put up. And also in the perimeter, the hairline, if I was to lift this up, which is not glued down, it was glued down, but I took it up because it started to irritate me. But when it was glued down, the hairline was very far back. So if I was to put it up, my hairline would be like back here and I would be looking real crazy. So I was disappointed about that because I did order a 360 and it is a 360, but the hairline is just way too far back, and then in the back the hair just doesn't look good being up. So I decided to just wear it like this, but I was originally just gonna pull it up and do like a little bun right here and have the back out. But yeah, so that's one of the things I don't like about this hair is how I wasn't able to pull it up, even though I did order a 360 frontal. So yeah, I think that's honestly the only thing I didn't like about this hair. Yeah, I think that's it. So on to what I do like about the hair. The bangs did come pretty long, and I like that because I was able to cut them to my liking instead of them being too short from the jump. So I did like the fact that they came long and I was able to customize them to my face, and you will be able to do that if you do decide to order this wig. Something else I do like about the hair, it is really soft. Upon putting it on for the first time, it was very soft. It still is very soft. It did start to get a little oily, but that was only because of products that I put in the hair, whether that be wax or spritz or things like that. And to fix that, I haven't washed it yet, but what I did do was apply dry shampoo to it. Any dry shampoo that'll work, it takes out the oils, and it did work very well, and it took the hair back to its original state when I first got out the package. So I did like that. As you can see, the hair has a nice shine to it, has body to it. This is a 150 density. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I think it looks natural, like this could pass as my real hair. That's kind of density it is, but it's not too thin at the same time, so take that into consideration. The hair did come with like 2 or 3 flexi rods, like some little ones. I threw those out because I didn't really want those. What else? It came with a pair of lashes. It came with 2 wig caps. They were a nude color. And I believe it was instructions on how to wash and care for the hair, and also how to flat iron it, and also what type of tools to use on it. So with this hair, you can only use ceramic tools, and it was things like that on that card. And I believe that was it for what it came with. So yeah, Overall, I would recommend this hair. I just don't recommend getting the 360 frontal because the hairline is extremely far back again. So like I said, I do recommend this hair overall, just not the 360 frontal. So I would suggest you just get like the 13x4, the 13x6, or whatever other options they have, just not the 360. As far as pricing, the hair was, I want to say 143 and some change. I don't remember the exact change, but 143. I did get this wig during the AliExpress sale that they had going on for the hair brands. So I'm not sure how much the hair is currently, but I did receive this for 146 at the time. 143, sorry, not 146. And yeah, I think that's about it for this hair. Overall, I do recommend it. It's cute. I've been wearing it now for, I want to say, going on 3 weeks, and I'm about to change it, honestly. I do like the bangs on me personally, but they do get in the way, and that's my fault because you can cut them short enough where they won't get in the way, but I like them this length where, you know, covers my eyes a little, and that's my fault. So I will be wearing this wig again, but I will be changing it soon also to switch to a new hairstyle. But I did enjoy this hair while it was in. I got nothing but good compliments on it. It was also a good change for me because I never had bangs. So this was like a cute little switch up for me to start my little summer. So yeah, get you this wig, girl. It's cute. So that was all for my hair review today on this hair. Again, if you are interested in purchasing, I will link the name of the hair company and the direct link to this wig down below, so you can go ahead and purchase if you choose to do so. Follow me on my social medias. Those will also be linked below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.